Welcome to Right Side Trading, where you can learn how to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is April 11th, 2018, and we are here to talk about the markets. So the stock that I have in front of me here is the SPX. What we are looking at on the SPX is the fact that the market is still range bound based on what is going on right here. So let me zoom in just a little bit. And what I am looking at is, in particular, let me actually zoom in right here. This is what we're looking at. And I am saying that the market seems to be range bound based on the fact that it goes up, comes down, it goes up again, it comes down, it goes up again. And that's kind of like where we are right now. And in my videos from last week, I mentioned the fact that it is possible that the market could literally be in this range. And what I want to see is for the market to close above this level right here. So far, that is what we're waiting for. It seems like the market is making its way up there, and we just have to wait and see. A better way to see this is if we zoom in into the hourly chart. Let me zoom in right here. You can see how this market has truly indeed been range bound. It's gone up to this level, it's come down all the way right here, made it all the way right here, didn't really make it to that top, which is still okay, came down. Every once in a while, you'll see something like this where it kind of dips below that support level, only for it to make it back up, came right back down into that same support level, and then now it's making its way back up again. So the question is, can it reach this level right here? Now, if you notice that right now, it hasn't reached this top level right here, but at the same time, it is coming to, if we were to draw a line right here, let's put it right there, we can see that it is not uncommon for this stock to come to somewhere around this level because it's done that in the past and then come back down again. And right now, it has come back to that same exact level, and it looks like it might be rolling back down again. What we really want to see is for this market to actually make it back above this level right here to tell us that this market really is ready to go higher. So until that happens, I'm just saying we have to be patient. Again, this market, as far as I'm concerned, has not decided where it wants to go. Now, I know there's a lot of talk about what is going on Capitol Hill and what's going on in Russia and what's going on in China and all that kind of stuff. And depending on whether the news is good or bad, we'll see big moves in a day. And if it's bad, we see big moves to the downside. If it's good, we see big moves to the upside. But like I said, for those who are willing to be patient enough, let's remove this. What you just need to see and wait for is for when the market can close above this level. If it can do so, then we know that this market is getting ready to go higher. So we want to see this market go a little higher, but until this level gets crossed, we simply just have to realize that we are range bound onto the range bound. And the good news is this market being range bound cannot last forever. Either way, it's going to break out to the upside or it's going to break out to the downside. And at that point in time, we'll be able to see and assess where the future of this market is going. So as always, remember to trade on the right side with confidence.